ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸೋ ಈ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಮರಣವೇ? ಅದು ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ. ನನಗೆ ಮರಣವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चंद्रघंटेति कुष्मांडेति चतुर्थकं पंचमं स्कंदमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरी च नवमं सिद्धिदात्रीति नवदुर्गा प्रतिष्ठिता।
विनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवरविंध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति वेशिति कंठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरबलवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि वर्षरते भुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दिविसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि।
నిన్ను చంపి నీ రక్తంతో Thank you, friends, for such an outstanding dance performance. You people resembled the different forms of Durgis. The Bhagavad Gita, a timeless spiritual guide that offers profound wisdom and insights that have illuminated lives for centuries. The Bhagavad Gita, also known as the Song of God, is not just scripture, but a guiding light for humanity. It contains timeless teachings that inspire us to lead a life of balance and purpose.
Today we are honored to present a recital of these divine shlokas by our talented students who have imbibed the essence of these teachings with devotion and dedication. Through this recital we hope to embrace the values of discipline, selflessness and inner peace that the Gita beautifully conveys. Let us open our heart for the divine vibration of Bhagavad Gita as they resonate in this space.
श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुन विषादयोगः।
First shloka.
धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय।
Meaning,
Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after gathering in the holy field of Kurukshetra and desiring to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do?
second shloka.
सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्।
Meaning,
Sanjaya said, on observing the Pandavas' army arrayed in a military formation, King Duryodhana approached his teacher Dronacharya and spoke the following words.
third shloka. Third shloka.
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता।
Meaning,
Duryodhana said, respected teacher, behold the mighty army of sons of Pandu who are expertly arrayed for the battle with their own gifted disciple, the sons of Draupadi.
fourth shloka.
अत्र शूरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुन समायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः।
Meaning,
Behold in their ranks, there are many powerful warriors like Yudhana, Virata and Drupad, wielding mighty bows and equal in military prowess to Bhim and Arjun.
fifth shloka.
दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः।
Meaning,
There are accomplished heroes like Drishtaketu, Chekitana, the gallant king of Kashi, Purujit, Kunti Bhoja and Shaibya are all best of men.
sixth shloka.
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्ता उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथः।
Meaning,
In their ranks, they also have courageous Yudhamanyu, the gallant Uttamauja, the sons of Subhadra and the sons of Draupadi, who are all great warrior chiefs.
seventh shloka.
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तानि बोधद्विजोत्तमा नायका मम सैन्यानां Samnyartham Tandravividhe.
Meaning,
Oh, best of Brahmins, hear too about the principal generals on our side, who are especially qualified to lead. These I now recount unto you.
8th shloka.
Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Krupascha Samitinjayah Ashwadhama Vikarnascha Saumadaddistataivacha.
Meaning,
There are personalities like yourself, Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashwadhama, Vikarna, and Burishrava, who are ever victorious in battle.
9th shloka.
Anye cha bahavah shura Madarterlyakta jeevitaah Nana shastra praharnama Sarve yuddha visharadaah.
Meaning,
Also, there are many other heroic warriors who are prepared to lay down their lives for my sake. They are all skilled in the art of warfare and equipped with different kinds of weapons.
10th shloka.
Aparyatam tadasmakam Balam bhishmabhirakshitam Paryatam tvitame-deshan Balam bhimabhirakshitam.
Meaning,
The strength of our army is unlimited and is safely marshalled by Grandshire Bhishma, whereas the strength of Pandava army is carefully marshalled by Bhim is limited.
11th shloka.
Ayaneshu cha sarveshu Yatha bhagamavastitaah Bhishmamevabhirakshantu Bhavantah sarva eva hi.
Meaning,
Therefore, I call upon all of the Kaurava army to give full support to Grandsire Bhishma, even to defend your respective strategic points.
12th shloka.
Tasya sanjanayam harsham Kururuddhah pitamahan Simhanadam dinadyochai Shankham dadmau pratapavan.
Meaning,
Then the grand old man of the Kuru dynasty, the glorious patriarch Bhishma, roared like a lion, then blew his respective conch shell very loudly, giving joy to Duryodhana.
13th shloka.
Tatha shankhascha bheryascha Panavanaka gomukaah Sahasaivaabhyahanyanta Sashabdastu mulo bhavat.
Meaning,
Thereafter, corns, kettle drums, bugles, trumpets, and horns bawled forth. Their combined sound was overwhelming.
14th shloka.
Tata shvetairharairyukte Mahati syandane stitau Madhavah pandavaschaiva Divyau shankhau pradadmatuhu.
Meaning,
Then from the midst of the Pandava army, seated in the glorious chariot drawn by white horses, Madhava and Arjuna then blew their divine conch shells.
15th shloka.
Panchajanyam hrishikeshah Devadattam dhananjayah Paundram dadmau mahashankam Bhimakarma vrukodarah.
Meaning,
Rishikesha blew his conch shell called Panchajanya. Arjuna blew the Devadatta, Bhim, the voracious eater and the performer of the Herculean task, blew his mighty conch shell called Poundra.
16th shloka.
Ananta vijayam raja Kunti putro yudhishthirah Nakulah sahadevascha Sugoshamani pushpakau.
Meaning,
King Yudhishthir blew the Ananta Vijaya, while Nakula and Sahadeva blew the Sughosha and Manipushpak.
17th shloka.
काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः.
Meaning, the excellent archer and the king of Kashi, the great warrior Shikhandi, Drishtadyumna, Virata, and the invincible Satyaki.
18th shloka.
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खं दद्मौ पृथक् पृथक्.
Meaning, Drupad, the 5 sons of Draupadi, and the mighty armed Abhimanyu, all blew their respective conch shells, O ruler of the earth.
19th shloka.
सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यधारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्.
Meaning, the terrific sound thundered across the sky and the earth and shattered the hearts of your son, O Dhritarashtra.
20th shloka.
अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृद्रे शस्त्रसम्पादे धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः.
Meaning, at that time, the son of Pandu, Arjuna, who had the insignia of Hanuman on the flag of his chariot, took up his bow, seeing your sons arrayed against him. O king, Arjuna spoke the next following words to Sri Krishna.
21st shloka.
ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते. अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत.
Meaning, Arjuna said, O infallible one, please take my chariot to the middle of both armies.
22nd shloka.
यावदेतानिरीक्षेऽहम् योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे.
Meaning, so that I may look at the warriors arrayed for the battle, whom I must fight in this great combat.
23rd shloka.
योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहम् य एतेऽत्र समागतः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धे युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः.
Meaning, I desire to see those who have come here to fight on the side of the evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra, wishing to please him.
24th shloka.
सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्.
Meaning, Sanjaya said, O Dhritarashtra, having thus been addressed by Arjun, the conqueror of sleep, Shri Krishna then drew the magnificent chariot to the middle of both armies.
25th shloka.
भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षितान् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति.
Meaning, in the presence of Bhishma, Dronacharya, and all the other kings. Shri Krishna said, O Partha, behold all these gurus gathered here.
तत्सद इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे विषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Thank you for that beautiful and soul-stirring recital. The words of Gita remind us of the eternal values of life and inspire us to walk the path of truth and wisdom. Through this divine wisdom, you reminded us that the Gita's lessons are even suitable today as they were thousands of years ago. Hats off to the souls who prepared these recitations with deep reverence and dedication.
With their rosy cheeks and red braid, the tiny kings and queens of our school are here to take you into magical steps of the dance moves. Oh yes, whatever they move, it is a matchless dance.
Here we have Mount One kids for their miraculous dance. Come on kids, rock and roll the stage.
का छक्का मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का। झटका, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का, तू अलादीन मैं तेरा जीन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन, मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, मार चलांगे छोले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु, नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु।
That is an awesome dance. You held a breath in your dance moves, kids.
In every thrill and steps, they remind us how to embrace life without hesitation. When they dance, they paint the air with laughter and love. The rhythm of their dance is the heartbeat of happiness.
They are none other than our Montoya. Let's welcome our tiny stars to create boundless imagination.
We'll be living in color. Let me see your hands, do your dance, rock and roll. Go and move your feet, feel that beat in your soul. It's better, 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 better in the sun. Forever, ever, ever, ever having fun. Feel it all the love, turn it up to a 10. Going to the moon, then we do it again. So make a list and we can wish upon a star. Let's dream away, you can take me by the heart. We can shine from within, 'cause the magic never ends. Living in color, lighting up the streets. Memories for you and me. Let's keep it together. You know that it's better when we dancing, dancing, dancing. We'll be living in color. We'll be living in color. We'll be living in color.
Minnie, don't you know that you steal the show wherever you go? Minnie, you got the style that makes us stop and smile, singing, hey, let's go to every minute. Get your groove on, slip them dancing shoes on, you can hear the party all through the town.
Wow, what an incredible performance. A huge round of applause to the dancers who set the stage on fire.
The song Lutput Gaya expresses the journey of love and longing. The lyrics depict a person deeply impressed in love and willing to sacrifice and explore new experiences for their beloved.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome more to be kids for their dance.
पुटिया जाऊंगा तेरे इश्क में गोते खाऊंगा ओ मन मैं तो गया तेरे दिल में टेंट लगाऊंगा हुण पिंड ना वापस जाऊंगा ओ मन मैं तो गया मंदा जीता था खुल के तेरी गली में आया भूल के जी चंगा भला सी मैं लुट पुट गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया मैं तो गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया उड़ की गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया मैं तो गया मैं तो पहले सोता था रातों में अब जाग जाग कर ख्वाब तेरे देखूं ऐसा क्यों मैं तन्हा रहता था अब बेगानों से भी पूछूं हाउ डू यू डू ऐसा क्यों ये दिल दबा इमोशन पूछता है मैनू क्वेश्चन की चंगा भला सी क्यों लुट पुट गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया मैं तो गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया उड़ की गया मैं तो लुट पुट गया लुट पुट गया मैं तो गया मैं तो तू ही मेरा दिल नाल तू ही मेरी जान सोने रवे तेरे नाल हुण मेरी पहचान तेरा बन गया सब तू है तू ही मेरी दुआ के रब तू है मैं तो मन तारे विच मंगा तेरी आया ये दिल पर घबराए भूल मुझको तू कहीं ना मिले तुम तुर जाए मन्नू ओ मन्नू ओ मन्नू भूल मुझको तू कहीं न मिले तुम तुर जाए ओ मन्नू
Thank you for sharing your incredible talent and passion for dance. Your performance was truly mesmerizing and left a lasting impression on everyone.
Why did Willight send a golden profile to me? Why did she turn away and toss a smile my way? She set off alarms in my heart.
On the hint of smile, here we have Mont 3A for the dance.
ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಡಳು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ನಕ್ಕಳು ಹೊಂಗಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಡಳು ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ನಕ್ಕಳು ನನ್ನ ಎದೆಗೆ ಅಲಾರಾಮು ಇಟ್ಟಳು ಹೃದಯ ಒಂಟಿ ಕಟ್ಟಲು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲು ಇಟ್ಟಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಚೆಲ್ಲಲು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು ಬಯಕೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತಟ್ಟಲು ಬೆಳಗಿ ಮಾತು ಬಿಟ್ಟಳು ಸ್ಲೀವಿಗೆ ಸ್ಲೀವು ಸೋಕಲು ಸೀದಾ ಹೊಂಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಳು ಬೊಂಬೆ 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 ನನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದು ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೊಂದಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಡಳು ಹೊಂಗನ ಸೊಂದ ಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा गोरी 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 बोले बोले नए नए गोरी गोरी देखो देखो हम दोनों मीते हैं सुनो सुनो दिल की चौकीते हैं पर सुन नहीं पाए इन्हें ना कोई हमारे सिवा गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी गोरी 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 बोले बोले नए नए गोरी गोरी हमारे सिवा गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी गोरी 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 भोले भोले नहीं नहीं गोरी गोरी
Thank you, friends. The energy and dedication you brought to the stage were simply breathtaking.
Let us sing and dance sweetly. The warm wind is comforting. Let us dance freely with pride to the rhythm of tribal dance.
Come on to the stage, Mon 3B. Dance to the nature and fill us our hearts.
la hakali al yetu.
Amai tamai bamai.
Wika e hoa yau.
Amai tamai bamai.
Hiva kilonga, hiva mai le, hiva mali e, kita pate pate. Hiva kilonga, hiva mai le, hiva mali e, kita pate pate.
Amai tamai bamai.
Wika e hoa yau.
Amai tamai bamai.
Hiva kilonga, hiva mai le, hiva mali e, kita pate pate. Hiva kilonga, hiva mai.
Tu le vera con la papaya.
No digáis nada, no os entendería.
Pate pate.
Your movements look fluid and effortless. Your energy has filled the stage. Thank you, friends.
A lamp doesn't flicker in a place where no wind blew. So it's with yogis who control his mind, intellect and self through the help of yoga. Yes, the real meaning of yoga is deliverance from contact with pain and sorrow.
When mind, intellect and self under control and freed from restless desire, man becomes Yuddha Yogi. I welcome junior yogis for the yogasanas.
Keşava Hari Narayana, Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana, Atma Rama Ananda Ramana, Atma Rama Ananda Ramana, Bhava Bhaya Harana, Pandita Charana, Bhava Bhaya Harana, Pandita Charana, Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Lochana, Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Lochana, Adi Narayana. केशव हरि नारायण आत्मारामानन्द रमण आत्मारामानन्द रमण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन आदिनारायण अनन्त शयन आदिनारायण अनन्त शयन सच्चिदानन्द सत्यनारायण सच्चिदानन्द सत्यनारायण आत्माराम आत्माराम आत्मारामानन्द रमण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण आत्मारामानन्द रमण आत्मारामानन्द रमण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन आदिनारायण अनन्त शयन आदिनारायण अनन्त शयन सच्चिदानन्द सत्यनारायण सच्चिदानन्द सत्यनारायण आत्माराम आत्माराम आत्मारामानन्द रमण
Thank you, Yogis. We were mesmerized by your matchless asanas.
We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for hopes, and we are the dancers, we create the dreams.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome first day for their dance until stars come down to appreciate them.
Music. Sarigamapa, Kani, और रकम की आवाज़ विसले वे सीने बोलो की मटावा रावणमा समय लग मिटे मटावा साइकिल का बोलो उदल के मटावा घुमा फैफी परफ्यूम के पीछे करूँ के चाहिए रवि के फ्लावर शपेले कोपे करंट शपेले हसीना पोगरे निकले बाहुबली दिलवे नाकेले उठ को दावते पैसे चिपते और इनके मिया तू आके नो बचते अपना मनी मुचम्मा पारो तो किसे हृदय मा तका बोला तो ये तम्मा चिकन जमी हंगा मारे दिल्ली नुची गली तका लोली दिल्ली लेडी नारायण तका अब्बा गिरी मली मली चुरा ले चितम्मा जाके तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लगता ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तुम मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में समझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया तेरी बातों में समझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पीछ लड़ाने जाएगी अरे मैंने के इतना ज़ेवर कहना तेज हवा से बच के रहना गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा रे झुमका What झुमका What झुमका What झुमका What झुमका झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे What झुमका
That was a pure magic. Thank you to our talented performers for their hard work and energy. It truly showed in every step.
The stage is set, the lights are shining, and the excitement in the air is palpable. We have something that will definitely make you tap your feet and groove to the rhythm.
Stay still to watch performance of First P. I welcome First P on to the stage.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती चाहिए
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई झंझन बोले सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां झंझन बोले हमने सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल भर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी दीवानगी दीवानगी
Your performance spoke volume without words. Thank you for weaving such a captivating story through your movements.
Dance enables you to find yourself and lose yourself. At the same time, dancing is creating a sculpture that is visible only for a moment.
I welcome second year for their dance performance.
She want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Aiko, ane. Chucking morphine, anane. Chucking morphine, ane. Start my truck and so jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Aiko, ane. Chucking morphine, anane. Chucking morphine, ane. Okay, I'm a manguele. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, detail rewinding. Take it to the island way. Hey, your baby mama. Put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take you to the max now. Jam in this small jam way. Jam in this small jam way. My bestie, your bestie. Dancing by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Aiko, ane. Chucking morphine, anane. Chucking morphine, ane. पहन के जोड़ा लाल कलर का तूने मचाया खूब तहलका भाई गोट तू लगती है जैसे स्विमिंग पूल में फूल कमल का चल दिखा तेरा जो तेरा डांस मूव है सुन तेरा मस्त ग्रुप है मामला फूल प्रूफ है सोनिए दिल पे गिरी एक जोर की बिजली लौंग का तेरे जब लिश्कारा चमका 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 शो मी द ठुमका 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 show me the ठुमका देखो नशे में सारा जहां है कितनी हंसी मुलाकात है बेटा
Your dance was a beautiful expression of emotion and artistry. Thank you for making us feel so deeply through your performance.
Sometimes all it takes is a listening ear, a helping hand, or even just a kind word to brighten someone's day. In a world where we often get caught up in our own lives and challenges, it's easy to forget how even small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. Helping others not only benefits them, but also brings joy and growth to ourselves.
So, sit back, relax, and enjoy how the smallest gestures can change lives. Let's welcome our Montessori kids to enact a skit.
Help others without any reason and give without the expectation of receiving anything in return. Character introduction. Tashvik Chandra as Sparrow, Samarth as Gooseberry Tree, Amulya as Teakwood Tree, Lasya as Jackfruit Tree, Samira as Banana Plant. A homeless sparrow. It was the end of the summer season. A little sparrow who was homeless, searching a tree to build her nest. Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Oh my gooseberry tree, I'm your sparrow friend. You're strong and huge. Can I build my nest on you for this rainy season? Please give me shelter. Never, never, sparrow. I can't give you space to build your nest. You bring all the sticks and dirty my tree. You go to other tree. Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Teakwood tree, I'm your sparrow friend. Can you give me shelter on your tree for this rainy season? No, never, sparrow. Don't think of building your nest on me. How can you ask to build a nest on me? No, look of some other trees. No one is ready to give me space to build my nest. Now where shall I go? Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Jackfruit tree, I'm your sparrow friend. Can you give me shelter for this rainy season? No, never, sparrow. I can't give you space. I have such big fruit on me. It will spoil if you build your nest on me. Go from here and find other tree. No one is ready to help me. Oh God, please help me to build my nest. Suddenly the sparrow looks at the banana plant. Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Kiya kiya, I'm a sparrow, kiya kiya ko. Banana plant, I'm your sparrow friend. Can you give me shelter in this rainy season? Oh my dear sparrow friend, I am not very strong like other trees. But yes, you can build your nest. I have a lot of space. The sparrow quickly collects wings and builds her nest. Just then, thunderstorm begins, and the wind blows away the mighty jackfruit tree, gooseberry tree, and teakwood tree. The sparrow praised God to save her nest and banana plant. The wind blows harder. But the banana plant withstands the wind. After sometimes the wind and thunderstorm. Thank you, God, for saving us. The banana plant was so kind and loving for giving me space to build my nest. Moral of the story: help others during bad time. God will always reward you for that. Thank you.
Thank you, kids. Besides giving treats for our visions, you showed us how does helping others benefit ourselves.
There is something truly magical about rain. The way it refreshes the earth, cools the air, and brings a sense of renewal. It can lift our spirits, make us dance, or even inspire us to just pause and listen.
Today, our dancers are going to take you on a beautiful journey where the rhythm of the rain meets the flow of movement. Let's sit back, relax, and let the magic of the rain unfold through this stunning dance performance by our second B students.
Tu m'as promis et je t'ai cru.
Tu m'as promis le sable doré
Tu m'as promis. Et je t'ai cru. Tu m'as promis le chaud dans le lait que j'ai jamais vu. Tu m'as promis le fil d'Orient, mais tu l'as coupé. Tu m'as promis les moments de Mozart, pas de ta cassé. Tu m'as promis d'être t'arranger pour s'être emballé. Tu m'as promis. Et je t'ai cru. Tu es fou. Tu es fou.
Thank you, Kiros, for this combination and giving us an experience of the soft, gentle dance.
School is where we learn, grow, and create memories that last a lifetime. It's a place full of laughter, friendship, and discovery. It's a place that shapes us into who we are and inspires us to reach for the stars.
Today, our talented dancers are about to bring to life the vibrant edge of school life. I welcome 3A onto the stage.
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीधी तब तक मार रट्टा मार
पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार
चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से टूटा खिस खिस के भेजा कर लेते यार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा भूल जाए चढ़ जा तू किताबों के पहाड़ 100 बार रट्टा मार तक ब्रेन को तोड़ा उसको चाबुक मार रट्टा मार सर के मिलेगा क्या लेगा क्या तू खास कट के पीछा कौन जीता यार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार At the end of the day, ऊपर तेरे
लगती है परफॉर्मेंस की तलवार
ऐसी दरिया है ये रिमेंबर कर ले जो डूबे वही होता है पार जो आए यहाँ पे चांस एक मिलती है नजर की यहाँ पे सोचो एक मंजिल ही है मौका मिले तो खोना नहीं ये आएगा मैं ये बार बार धक्का मार धक्का मार दिल से धक्का मार धक्का मार We're young and we're crazy.
lively journey, whatever we love our school. Your performance was a heartwarming dance.
We all know that some songs just get you moving. We have one such song which guarantees to get your feet tapping and your heart racing. It's Jhoom Barabar, a song that's all about high energy, fun and unstoppable rhythm. It's a kind of tune that wanna makes you get up and dance.
So get ready for an exhilarating dynamic dance performance by Third Beats that will leave you buzzing with energy.
उड़ती उड़ती अखियों के लड़ गए पैंचे लड़ गए वे लगा के बराबर 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 जब लगे जहां सब जाने रब्बा हर चोट मजा देती है जीने की सजा देती है रब्बा झूठी मूठी बातें सुन के गुनगुनाती आंखें सुन के जलावे बुझावे बुझावे जलावे वो मोमबत्तियां जलावे बुझावे बुझावे जलावे वो मोमबत्तियां उड़ती उड़ती अखियों के लड़ गए पैंचे लड़ गए वे गीत लगा के बराबर 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 पुराना पापी हर बार खता करता है हर बार बचाता हूँ मैं हर बार ये जा मरता है पास कोई आ गया तो पास कोई आ गया तो बार 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 कलजे पे न मार अखियां बार 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 कलजे पे न मार अखियां उड़ती उड़ती अखियों के लड़ गए पैंचे लड़ गए मैं ठीक लगा के बराबर 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 बराबर
such innovative choreograph and flawless execution. Your performance was truly unforgettable.
Nature, in its pristine form, is a testament to harmony and balance. Towering forests with verdant canopies, teeming with life, birds singing, rivers flowing with crystal clear water, and the ecosystems thriving without interruption. Mountains stand majestic, trapped in snow, and the air is pure, filled with its earthy scent of unspoiled soil. After a passage of time or human impact, nature often tells a story of resilience or struggle. In some places, urbanization replaces greenery with concrete and the rivers turn murky under the strain of pollution. Forests give way to farmland or cities, and many species are left to find their habitats lost or diminished.
It's time to witness a Kannada drama artist of our school showcasing the impact on nature.